Alright, akari number 424, difficulty hard by 700 KPC. Once again, today is March 5th, 2026. Corner eliminations here, and then there. I wish this block wasn't here so I could say all these conflict, but unfortunately there's a block there. Let's see, there's multiple ways this could work. If this were to go here and here, this would be blocked off, this would be blocked off. Okay, so it has to go here and here as to avoid putting 2 against the 1. So that is our first step, our first clue. Now what? Oh, I think this is diagonally symmetrical as well. Except there's a 1 here and there's no 1 here. So that's different. Yep. Let's see if this were to go like between these anywhere. This would go here, this would go here, and then this could go either or. If it were to go up top, it would have no effect on what goes on over there. Hi, this is Tim Sweeney, CEO, founder of Epic Games. If this were to go here, this would go here, this would go here, this would go here. Is there anything else that would put the 2 against the 1 here? Wait, any of these, or this, and any of these, or this, which gives a corner elimination here. Because if it were to be any of these, it would have the same effect as if it were these 2. Okay, same here, right? Yeah. It's going to be lit up by 1 and 2. It's going to be lit up by 1 and 2. Or no, 3 actually. Wait, no. Could it go here? If it were to go here. Dang it. Yeah, if it were to go here, this would go here, and then we could still have it here. Can we prove it's neither of these 2 at least? Right, can we prove it has to be one of these? So if it goes here, this would have to go here. If it goes here, yeah, okay. So that knocks off these 2, and then gives us a corner elimination there. Sorry if I'm talking kind of weirdly. I've got my estrogen in my mouth right now. It like dissolves on my tongue. I've gotten pretty good at being able to talk while it's still in, but it might sound a little muffled. Let's see. So it has to be one of these 2, and it has to be one of these 2. So that eliminates all of these. Does that mean it has to be there? Wait. It has to be one of these, and it has to be one of these. Yeah, so that means it has to be there, that 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 has to be there. This is the only square that can light itself up, that has to go there. Which means this can't go here, which means that goes there. That goes there, that goes there. I thought I had solved it, but no. There was 1 square left I didn't see. Alright, perfect score, 416. I found this one a lot easier than yesterday, but I don't know, maybe I was just, like, better on the ball about, like, just recognizing the patterns. Fun puzzle, liked it. See you tomorrow.